What's up, it's your girl Nemo, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I just got done bleaching my roots and getting the rest of that orangey warm tone to them. And now I'm going to go in with a mixture of purple hair dye and conditioner and using that to sort of tone my ends, and then it'll be like safe to use color-wise with the blue here. If anything, it might be a little bit darker where that is, but that's not a big deal. I'm pretty sure it'll look fine. Let me show you the shades I mixed up. I used majority of Strawberry Leopard Lilac Glow with a few good squirts of Orchid You Not. Mixed that together until I was happy with the tone of purple. Then I put in one packet of these Moroccan Argan Oil Deep Repair Masks by High Pro Pack. I love these packets for after bleaching and stuff. There's one for like scalp treatment that's good. And I should have a couple packs of those, but I couldn't find them. So I'm not sure where they are at this point, but anyway, I mixed that up, and then also a good squirt of just some basic conditioner. This is Hydrating Shea Butter for natural hair. Oh, I didn't catch that for natural hair. Nope. I'm sure it'll be fine. It's sulfate free and all that. Here is the color swatch. This is after all the mixing and diluting is done. And here it is in my bowl. I think this will be enough. My hair is really short now, so hopefully, ooh, maybe I should mix a little more up actually. Better safe than sorry, right? Okay, I've actually got a whole 4 ounce of this Iro Lavender. I have not used this, haven't tested it. I got it to use in my Dye vs. Dye series. Otherwise, I would already know what to expect. But I'm gonna go ahead and just use this for my mixture. I'll show you the updated swatch once I get this done. Ooh, it's coming out pretty much the same color as what I mixed up. Look at this. That's almost dead on. Not bad. Okay, here is the new swatch. Old swatch, new swatch. Looks a little more opaque, I guess. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get my gloves on and just get started putting this all over. So, funny story, I was actually all day planning on doing my hair orange today to try to cancel out this blue, but then I had a realization, and that is that I hate the color orange. Like, hate it. If it's not in the rainbow, I don't like it at all. So why am I going to put it all over my head just for these ends? Nope, not happening. Okay, I've got it all put on, and It's looking very bright. I hope it's not too bright, really, but I'm probably going to leave this on for 30 minutes at the most. I'm not going to leave it on as long as I usually would leave something on, especially a pastel color, but my main goal is to just kind of tone the yellow and leave a purple, lavender, hopefully pastel purple left over. I will be back in probably an hour after I've rinsed it all out and dried it and show you the finished results. Here we are. What do we think? What do we think? Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to styling my hair at this point. I put a bunch of mousse in it and like let it air dry as I was driving around earlier running errands, and it just got crunchy and weird and actually kind of flat. So I just threw on some butterfly clips and called it a day. But I really like it. I think it's a really pretty shade. It's very lavender, very springtime, even though spring isn't quite here. By the time I post this, it'll probably be spring or almost spring. But I love it. Let me go ahead and show you the back. I think the fade out's gonna be really pretty too. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it's a great way to support my channel. And it lets me know that you want me to keep making videos like this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.